This is a review of the Gigabyte Aorus X570 Elite Wi-Fi motherboard. I've been using this motherboard for about 2 or 3 years. And let's talk about the features you can get on this motherboard and if this motherboard is reliable. Now, I have my PC open, my tower open, so I'm doing things to fix it up, and so don't mind the mess. Now, this motherboard has been pretty good for me. The settings are all there to use. Now you can see I'm using a CPU cooler with 2 fans. I have 4 6 of RAM. These are 32 gigs. And adding slots in fine, no issues. The standoffs look pretty okay. And then you see the Aorus RGB that comes with it. I'm using a WD Black M.2 for the hard drive, boot drive. Works fine, no issues installing. GeForce RTX 2060 from EVGA, no issues with this drive connecting and anything like that. So physically, no issues putting anything on this motherboard. And the routing, as you can see right here, it's pretty messy because I'm configuring it, but all these ports are empty because there's so many features on this motherboard that you can use. I haven't even used every single feature that's here. So you have USB headers, you have a USB-C header, you have RGB connections if you want, and it's all there. This motherboard is very accessible if you want customization and to add on. And if you want a motherboard that you can add on in the future and not have to worry about rebuying, then this is for you. And I'm using a AMD Ryzen 5800X as a CPU and works flawlessly. No issues with BIOS. This is the motherboard to get if you want all the features and you want to upgrade later on with no issues, but you don't need all the premium things. So the Aorus X570 Elite Wi-Fi has my thumbs up after 2 to 3 years of use, no issues.